In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a document in Pandadoc. We're going to walk through the fastest, most direct way to upload a file, add a signer, place a signature field, and send it out for completion. By the end, you'll be able to take any document you already have on your computer and get it out for e-signature in just a few clicks. First, from inside your Pandadoc dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point anytime you want to create something new in Pandadoc. A window will open asking how you want to create your document. Since we're using an existing file, choose the option called Select File. This will open a file picker from your computer. Navigate to the document you want to send, select it, and confirm. Pandadoc will upload the file and prepare it for editing and sending. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is to add your recipients. Look for the area labeled Add Recipients. Here, you'll type in the email address of the person or people who need to receive and sign the document. After you've entered the appropriate email addresses, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll see your document on the screen, along with a panel on the right-hand side that contains different fields you can add. From that right panel, find the Signature field. Click and drag the Signature field onto the document and drop it exactly where you want your recipient to sign. If you have multiple signers, you can add more signature fields and assign each one to the correct person. But for this simple workflow, we're focusing on just one signer. When your signature field is placed correctly and everything looks good, click on Review and Send. This takes you to a final review step. Here, you'll be asked to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later, then click Continue again. Next, you'll see the email that will be sent to your recipient. Type your email message here. This is where you can briefly explain what the document is, why you're sending it, or any instructions they should know before signing. Once your message looks right and you're ready to send, click Send Document. Pandadoc will deliver the document to your recipient, and you'll be able to track its status from your dashboard.